Russell and Bonnie.
Yes.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so you're applying for a physical therapy position. Can you
Yes.
please tell me a little bit about yourself?
I'm currently a student at California State University in Hayward. I'm studying kinesiology as my major, but I would like to be a physical therapist, so I'll be hoping to apply for grad school for a doctorate in this field. And for the past 3 years, I've been working in a assisted living facility
Oh.
as a med technician, and also it's a little bit of everything. I work as a physical therapy assistant with our nurse with our nurse in our facility. So it's a very interesting job, and it's quite different. Especially we're working with elderly, and actually a lot of our residents are more than 90 years old. So it's a big
Yes,
challenge. The oldest one actually just turned 100
Wow.
a few months ago. So
Congratulations
yeah,
for him.
yeah. I mean, she's the oldest one we have. So it's very interesting to hear more about her stories and how she got into this age, which is amazing. Um, well, in my work, I do a lot of cooperation with my group. So I'm actually a team leader also. As a med tech, med technician, you're basically running the whole show, and I work mostly in the afternoon, which is nice because I get to work with a lot of people that are much more relaxed, and more usually the morning crew is a little bit more stressed out because everybody's waking up and it's usually just very busy. I would say that personally, this job, this physical therapy position, fits me the most because I do like to work with people and help them, let's say, recover, especially if they have injuries. And I would like to work more with the elderly. That's it.
Can you go more into what skill and strength that you think you possess that can make you become a good physical therapist?
I would say with my experience for the past 3 years, I've been a lot of trainings that we had at work. Also, I'm very patient. That's that. From my experience, that's the most thing that you need to have working in this field, especially in the medical field, because I have patients. I have been with patients that have dementia or Alzheimer's, and some of them are sometimes paralyzed, which is a quite very hard thing to help them with, especially if they can't move almost half of their body, or they're incontinent. So it's a very interesting job, and you need to be very patient and also very skilled because if you miss something, you could cause more harm to them, and it's a human, so it's very you have to be very careful with it.
I see. So can you tell me about your weakness then?
Okay. So, well, at work I tend to be very workaholic. I would actually stay more than in my hour, my shift, because as a med technician, or basically the boss during the afternoon shift, I had to see that everybody is well groomed, everybody took their medications, have did their exercises or their planned regimen for the afternoon until the evening. And it's a very always some people say that I work too much for the company, which isn't a bad thing.
Well, depends.
Yeah.
That's all from me. So do you have any other question?
Well, I would say, what's the typical daily situation is in this hospital?
Well, we are quite a big hospital,